America in cities from east to west. Well, we are now watching our video stream from our chopper.
Oh, he just said I closed.
The police officers are lined up across both sides of Interstate 8, the eastbound side and the westbound side. There are no cars that we can see anywhere in the area.
Police are lined up all the way across both sides. We're going to have to get off up here at the next exit, but that's what everybody else is going to have to do too. This is not good. The protesters have arrived in La Mesa between us and El Cajon. Interstate 8 is closed in both directions. We're trying to get home on Interstate 8 East, and traffic is a complete stop. We're listening to it live on the radio station. The local radio, KOGO AM 600, is covering it, and it's not good up ahead of us. I don't know how long it's going to take for us to get home. We're going to have to get off this and go around it, but so is everybody else.
It's best to stay off Interstate 8 as of right now.
I am your president of law and order and an ally of all peaceful protesters. But in recent days, our nation has been gripped by professional anarchists, violent mobs, arsonists, looters, criminals, rioters, Antifa, and others. A number of state and local governments have failed to take necessary action to safeguard their residents. Innocent people have been savagely beaten, like the young man in Dallas, Texas, who was left dying on the street, or the woman in upstate New York viciously attacked by dangerous thugs. Small business owners have seen their dreams utterly destroyed.